Assalamu alaikum and welcome. We are Team Green Revolution Pakistan from Public College Skardu. Our team lead is Mr. Sajid Ali and team members are Sayyid Naveed Abbas, Sajda Batul and myself Saida Batul. Today we are going to present our project titled Apricot Disease Detection Using Deep Learning in Gilgit-Baltistan. Gilgit-Baltistan is one of the most important fruit-producing regions of Pakistan. Among all fruits, apricot holds a special place as it is the most widely cultivated fruit in this region. Thousands of farmers rely on apricot orchards for their income and livelihood. However, farmers still rely on late manual inspection to detect diseases, which lead to heavy fruit yield losses and reduced income. Currently, there is no AI-based or user-friendly system available for early apricot disease detection in this region. To address this gap, we are developing an AI system that can help farmers identify diseases at an early stage and protect their yield. So the main problem is late detection due to farmer face huge losses and manual inspection which is very slow and gives an inaccurate result. So is there any solution according to the problem? Yes, we are building an AI system using deep learning model to detect apricot disease early. Currently trained on available data set. For training and testing, we use an open source dataset. This dataset contains high quality images of apricot with different diseases. We divided this dataset into training, validation, and testing sets to properly evaluate the performance of model. These are the tools and technologies which we use in our project. In our methodology, we use deep learning based models to detect apricot diseases from images. This ensures high accuracy, fast prediction, and real world applicability for early detection diseases. The methodology includes collecting a data set, training from YOLO model, evaluate by different metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and FO score, and finally deployment. For detecting apricot diseases, we used YOLOVIET, a state-of-the-art object detection deep learning model. We trained YOLOVIET on the dataset, marking the diseased area with bounding boxes so the model learned to detect and classify the diseases accurately. YOLOVIET is efficient and lightweight, making it suitable for future mobile or web-based deployment for farmers. Now I'll briefly demonstrate the YOLOVIET training code. First, we import the required libraries such as PyTorch and YOLOVIET. Then we load dataset with bounding box notation for disease area. Next, we train the YOLOVIET model on this dataset. After training, we save the model weights for the future use. This shows complete YOLOVIET training pipeline from dataset preparation to model ready for deployment. After training the model, we develop a user-friendly interface using Flask. Farmers can upload images of apricot fruit and the system instantly detects the disease with bounding box around infected areas. This interface is designed to be practical and accessible so farmers can use it without any technical knowledge. The trained YOLO-V8 model achieved around 85 to 88% accuracy. Bounding boxes correctly highlighted infected areas, and the confusion matrix and accuracy losses graphs confirmed the model's reliable performance. In conclusion, our project demonstrates the AI-based YOLO-V8 detection can help farmers identify apricot diseases early, reduce fruit yield loss, and save time. In the future, we plan to expand our data set with locally collected images from GB and deploy the model into a mobile application where farmers can capture an image and instantly receive disease diagnosis with highlighted infected areas. Thank you for watching our project demonstration. We hope this will work, support farmers and boost apricot production in Gilgit-Baltistan.